What a great moment. Hilary Clinton stood up and said, anything going on today after Donald Trump had been found guilty in court? That means whatever happens to Donald Trump, he probably won't go to prison, but it's up to the judge. Whatever happens to Donald Trump is now a criminal. And America could find itself electing a criminal as the next president of the United States. This isn't a man who is a criminal because of something he'd done before he was president, though he may still be found guilty of something like this. It's something that was done while he was president. And his main excuse was he was too busy to check what other people were doing on his behalf. So if he's been a criminal in the role of president once, he can be a criminal again. And that is shocking. More than that, this is a man endorsed by people like Nigel Farage over here. What does that say about Nigel Farage's judgment of character? And so the impact of this judgment will have tentacles that stretch long and wide. And I think the slogans on which he ruled, on which he reigned, on which he controlled America in this monarchical style presidency, make America great again. How can America be great again if it's ruled by a criminal who is found to have cheated? How can a criminal who is found to have cheated preside over the American tax system, the American legal system, the American military system, if he's known to have cheated, if he's known to have lied, if he's known to be a criminal? How can he be the person that everybody in America respects? And yet he can still stand as president. How can the Republican Party in America hold its face up, hold its head up in the face of such news? Yes, it's not a huge case. There are others waiting in the wings to be heard, but it's decisive. Who else is there to pick up the Republican banner and take over? We could well find, depending on Biden's health, we could well find ourselves in a position where it's the second in both cases who is the person who is running in this November election. There's not very much time left to make a decision. And we will have to live with the consequences.